This method could provide important insight into how learners acquire foreign language grammar, as well as about the role of individual differences in affective states in grammar learning. This technique separates vocabulary from grammar, so it allows us to assess the effects of induced emotion on grammar learning, without having to worry about the interference from lexical learning.
Have the participant sit in front of a computer and ask the participant to read and sign the written consent forms. Next, give the participant the pencil and paper version of the self-assessment mannequin pictorial rating scale, and ask the participant to use a pencil to rate their emotion by marking the corresponding mannequin. Have the participants in the experimental group listen to positively valenced music through headphones for 10 minutes. At the end of the emotion induction period, ask the participant to rate their emotional state on a new self-assessment mannequin scale. Before beginning the training task, present written instructions for the task on the screen of the computer in the native language of the participant. The instructions should read, "Welcome to our experiment. In this experiment, you will be required to learn a novel language that contains native language words and new grammar. When you are ready, press any key to proceed to the experiment." After the participant has pressed a key, a new set of instructions should appear. Next, you will see some sentences. Please read them carefully and decide whether they are grammatical.